General HD 2 sound effects collection on hard drive from Sound Ideas. More than 6,500 new high-definition sound effects digitally recorded at 24-bit 96K, provided as broadcast wave files that are fully embedded with metadata. And each hard drive comes equipped with separate folders for 2496, 1644, 1648, and 2448 broadcast wave files of the complete collection. Here's just some of what we've got to offer. The General HD 2 sound effects collection also includes a complimentary copy of Sound Ideas MetaDigger software, an easy-to-use program designed to display, search, and export metadata details from broadcast wave and MP3 audio files. The General HD 2, available only from Sound Ideas.